Sana, it's giving. Oh my god, when she gave it to me, she's like, here are your suitcases, get out of my house. I got home from work and Umzali was like, I go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mitshell, aka Mimmy. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't leave without clicking the subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you'll get notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. So as you have seen by the title of the video, I come bearing gifts for myself. But anyway, it was my birthday, and yeah, these things come bearing gifts, okay? So I'm just going to unbox the gifts, you know, and yeah, I don't even know what to start. Oh, actually, I'll start with a banger. When I tell you, Umzali ute I coupe. I coupe. I got home from work, okay? Oh my goodness, don't do that. I got home from work and Umzali was like, I coupe. So I love being up and about, just being on the road and traveling and whatnot. So my mom realized that my suitcases and whatnot are not, you know, up to your standard, I guess. And she's like, ciao, here you go, because when you're turning Lela, here you go, 2 suitcases. So this is actually a 2-in-1, there's one inside. But initially when she gave it to me, she's like, here are your suitcases, get out of my house. But yeah, so I have the big suitcase, and then we have the smaller one in it. But you guys know me, I can't just go for a weekend with this little bag here. I'll be taking both of them for a weekend, okay? I'm literally going to use them this weekend. Like she said, Tamaya, I said, say no more, baby girl. Tamaya. Yeah, and then this is for my friend Mitshell. Sassy, love you loads, Sana. So she literally did a click and collect for me here. She just bought the stuff online, and I went to collect it at the local Cotton On. She got me a perfume. Love it. And this is a winter scent even. Like we're in the thick of winter. So she got me a pepper and tonka scent. I've been using it. This video is quite late. So I've been using it. It's, oh my goodness, I love it. Literally so cute. Love it. I hope you guys can see it. But yeah, she got me that. And then she said, oh my tatazel, girl. Oh my tatazel. Your age must not make you tatazel. Like, just relax and zazazel, my baby. I was just like, rich aunt, who's this? Okay. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much. Just have a gift. I'm starting to think, I feel like there was more to this than just this. But I don't know. I don't remember. Anyway, can I just state how intentional my people are? Like, they are literally so intentional. They didn't just buy me gifts just so that they can tick a box, but they actually looked at me, thought of me, and thought, actually, what would be a great gift for me? And they got me intentional gifts. Like, I love sunglasses. I love me good scents. I travel a lot, and my mom was like, here's a bag. I love sunglasses, and my friend was like, say no more, baby girl. Perfume. And my sister as well. I have a sweet tooth. And she's like, baby girl, here are some Mentos. They've obviously been open because, you know, it's been a minute. Quite of late, I've been loving your, what is it called, skincare routine stuff. She got me a scented exfoliating sheer sugar scrub. And here she comes. Please tell your sister to not make noise. Thanks. So she got me this, and then she got me a love letter. And then guess what? She got me a, I've been using, I love the scent so much. Oh my goodness. I'm actually going to get her to give me another one because this was just bomb.com. She got me a body, what is it called? Yay! Body mist. Body mist. And then she got me a love letter. Here, I'll just show you guys the outside. How gorgeous is this, okay? And then, well, the tray that came with it. She knows her sister likes things, likes fashion. and she got me, most of you guys have already seen this from my pictures, and you know, you guys are just like, oh my gosh girl, you look so gorgeous. Yes, that was for my sister. She said, baby girl, I know you like things, so here is a poncho for you. She got me a gorgeous poncho. It's so warm, so lovely. I was just like, love you loads, Kasana. Like, it's the intentionality for me. I was just like, yo betunana, love your down, love your down. Yeah, so I got AirPods 2023 and then I lost them 2024. I was just gushing and I just misplaced them. Oh, which reminds me also, if you notice something missing on me, I lost it. Okay, so that's it. The him or her that has an ear has heard what I mean, what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's about that. Moving on. I lost my AirPods 2024 and I was just so bummed. I was just like, I can't pump out another 400 bucks for AirPods. So I just stayed without, you know, AirPods for like a bit. But then this time I was just like, it's my birthday, I can do what I want. So I got myself Sony M4s. I wanted to get the is it 5 or 6? But then I was just like, oh, let me behave myself. So I got myself M4s, absolutely gorgeous. They are so cute. They come in a little cute package. I've obviously used them as well, but yeah, they come in this cute packaging, and here you go. They come with a charger and all this other stuff, and then these are the headphones. How cute. And I took black because white was the only other color, and I'm not trying to do that. So love them. They're so comfortable. The noise cancellation is amazing. The sound quality is also amazing. The M5s, I don't know if it's M5 or 6. You sound like you're in a studio, but hey, yeah, no, maybe later. Maybe next time. Yeah, because they're quite pricey. So I was like, no, I'll settle for the M4s. Yeah, and then so something happened at work. They were promoting healthy eating, healthy living, stuff like that. So we had a survey that we had to guess 6 different things, and you know, we had to fill out what we think it is, right? So I participated in that, and honestly, it was just a good month for me. So I won me a hamper from work. Okay, I count it as a birthday blessing. Okay, so people in this house were nosy and opened it, but this is a hamper. So oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, my stuff has been used. I didn't even realize this was used. Guys, people in this house. Anyway, yeah, this has been used. The chocolate has been eaten, but there was chocolate. We had to guess the percentage of the cocoa, yeah, something like that. We had to guess what this was as well. So this was lemon, ginger, and honey. What is it? Real fruit infusion. It's a shot, I think. And then there was coconut oil. It was all, you know, healthy stuff and whatnot. Hot English mustard, coconut flour, molasses. It was at the back of my head, but when I had to taste it, I thought it had a taste of tofu. You know that black champion tofu? Yeah. So I was like, man, what is that? And then they also have breadcrumbs. Yeah, I got that right. So, and the coconut flour and all and whatnot. But anyway, moving right along before this video is like so long. Oh, I was looking at the amount of perfumes that I got. I got another one. So I was at my favorite shop, Cracker Jack, and I found Impulse. Do you guys remember how crazy we were about this in high school? Like, I saw it and I was just like, ain't no way. It's obviously a different scent. I don't think I'd used this back in high school, but I was just like, you have got to be kidding me. What? So they had this and I just had to get it. And then they have a glitter shimmer fragrance as well. I haven't used this one though because I'm just like very skeptical. Yeah, but I'll probably use it one of these days. And then I went to Temu. So I've opened this package, right? So I got, oh, where's the feather duster? I don't know where it is, but I also got a feather duster. Anyway, I got a car vacuum. I must say it's much smaller than what I anticipated, but now that I think about it, I think it makes sense that it's this small, you know, and yeah. But anyway, I got a car vacuum because I'm just like, hey man, I need my car clean, okay? And then I was just like, oh, little salad, I got myself serving pots, serving pots. I feel like I'm in that Tunisani era. Remember, when was it? When I got those stock pots, 2 stock pots. Like, hanyane. I am preparing, you know, kobane? Yeah. So I got myself 2 catering pots, or I don't know. But serving pots. So I haven't assembled it, but yeah, I was quite happy with the quality and the size. They are what I expected. So I'll actually quickly assemble this and then show you guys what it looks like. Sana, it's giving. Oh my god, people are sleeping. I can't even literally say that properly, but so I got 2 of them. Kuning. Oh, it keeps getting kuning here. So let's try that again. Okay, not working. But I got 2 of these, and I know I bought them. I think I'm just preparing. I think Ubrachi untumelelo moya to just prepare. Okay, so I got myself 2 very cutie pots. Yeah, the last time I got myself, if you don't follow me on TikTok, you better follow me on TikTok, because I am consistent as on TikTok. Okay, I got myself a Zambia the last time, so. But geez, whispering, the girls, we had to prepare, so I'm preparing. Okay. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and have come right to the end, please leave me some yellow hearts. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.